Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see what you can see. See a big fat head there. Okay, I think I got everything loose to get the radiator out, so let's get her out. So what am I gonna need to get her out?
It's still on fisheye mode, Dad. I thought you said you were gonna take that off.
What?
It's still in fisheye mode. I thought we said that we were gonna take
I didn't say that I was gonna do anything. You asked if I would take it off, and it looks like the answer is.
What's wrong with fisheye mode?
I just don't want fisheye mode.
Why not? It helps Dad be able to be seen.
It gets more in there. Okay, well, I don't know how I'm gonna get it out, but maybe I can get it out by putting the forks under. I could probably do that, stick the forks, I don't know. Let's try it. All I can do is destroy it.
Oh, it's wasn't.
Yeah, because I need to fix the emergency brake. She needs a little work. I need to fix it up so I can trade it for a skid steer, because this thing, every time I use it around the yard, it gets stuck. It's so big, heavy in the back. Or I might trade one of my Harleys for one. Whatever.
It might be more worth it to you.
Yeah, I think I can use a skid steer more than I can use a Harley. What do you think?
I agree.
So are you gonna film the GoPro? Sure I'm not tearing anything up. See, I got something around here. Don't worry about that. Hush.
AJ. AJ. Get over here. Get up on there. See that first handle? Yeah, pull up on it. Stop. All right, I got to take that shroud off.
So is that the radiator then?
It's the radiator, it's the air cooler. Pick up on that handle a little bit. A little more. Oh! Great, I can't get to that one. Pick up on that handle a little bit. A little more. A little more. Oh! Pull back on this.
Pull back.
Yeah, pull back on it.
Oh,
Pull
me
back.
or AJ?
On this right here. Pull back on it. More. Way more. More. Way more. Pull back on. What did it break? Oh, the bolt broke. Great. Pick up on it a little bit. Oh! Well, put the phone down. Get right here. Stand up on there. Go on, hurry up. Now don't let this fall over. Don't push it on me, just don't let it fall over. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? Because it keeps going over. You're pulling on it. I don't want you to pull on it. I want you to hold it forward. Push that way. Get your feet back here and push it that way.
Push it what
Get
way?
your hands on this side of it. Push it towards the truck. Right here. Push towards the truck. Don't let it come out. Let it come back. Let it come back some. AJ, pick up on it a little bit. Come on. Oh, Seth, hush. Let it back a little bit. A little more. A little more. Great, that one broke too. All right, get down. Get down. Pick up on it, AJ.
Wait!
Pick up on it. Oh! Give me that board.